Hey everybody, this is Rob Harrell at MarineMax in Charleston, and today we are looking at a 2025 Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. This boat is equipped in Glacier green. She is absolutely beautiful. She is powered by two Mercury 300 Verados, truly naturally aspirated V8s. Let's climb on board and take a look at it. As you can see, I'm getting ready to get on the boat, and you can see that the ladder actually folds up and stores underneath here. So you have a walk-through transom in the rear. You also have a freshwater shower to rinse off before you come in. This boat does have a battery charging system as well. As you can see, the back seat on this thing is absolutely roomy. I'm 6 foot tall. You can put two adults back here easy. This is their base series. Now we have a full platform to fish on. Your live well is going to be right here. As you can see, you have 3 rod holders in the back as well. Our rear station is equipped with a rear sink and a place to be cutting your fish up. This station also has the upgraded refrigerator on one side, and on the other side you have 3 tackle drawers. We also have a drop-down swim platform on this boat that drops down so you can get in and out of the water and in and out the docks. As we're looking at this station, you can see the seats are huge and roomy. Fold-up bolsters. We have a ski tow bar on the back, an electric shade that deploys to cover the aft of the boat. You have a tea bag storage system up here to store miscellaneous items. You also have a lockable glove box. And as you can see, the glassed-in windshield also has a vent that opens as well, so you can allow cool air. This boat's actually really loaded. It's coming with a 16-inch Simrad, obviously trim tabs. It also has a joystick on this boat option, which is awesome for this boat. Also has a very nice upgraded sound system. You can see all the JL speakers throughout the boat. As we move to the bow, first and foremost, you're going to notice the bottom of the T-top is painted to color match the boat, which is really nice. We have a full enclosed, very spacious head, plenty of room in here. And as we come up, you're going to see first the size of this chase lounge with armrests that come down with cup holders on port and starboard. It is very, very spacious. Plenty of room to put 2 or 3 people on here. This box also serves as rod storage on the inside. You're going to have your table leg for your rear aft table as well. Plenty of room in here. Rods will store in here. And as we move to the front of the boat, you can see the first fish locker is going to be under here. It's going to be plenty of room, and plus you also have bow and starboard fish boxes as well. These are all going to be insulated. You can use them as coolers or for fish. This boat is also equipped with the bow filler option as well, so you have a full sun pad. When you have people on the boat, we have forward seating backrests that come up. When you're fishing hardcore, you take all these pads off and you have a complete casting platform. We have cup holders and rod holders on both sides. This boat also has anchor windlass with a bow anchor and a remote for convenience. Thank you so much for taking the time to walk through this brand new 2025 280 Dauntless with me today. This is Rob Harrell at MarineMax in Charleston. If you would like to see this boat, you can either look us up online, MarineMaxCharleston.com, or you can reach us at 843-747-1889. Let's get on the water.